Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's kitchen. Today we are going to make a vanilla cake.
For this we need 3 cups cake flour, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, 1.5 cups of unsalted butter, 2 cups castor sugar, 3 large egg yolks plus 3 large eggs, seeds from 1 vanilla bean pod or 2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup buttermilk and 2 8-inch cake pans aligned with baking paper. Now for the recipe, preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius to a conventional mode, that is top and bottom heat. Next, smooth the surface of vanilla pod and create a slit using a knife. Next, using the back of your knife, transfer all the vanilla beans to the eggs. Now for the dry ingredients, in a bowl, sift flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt and keep it aside. Next, for the wet mix, add buttermilk to the eggs and whisk. Next, in a bowl, add butter and mix it using a hand mixer. When the butter is smooth, add small quantities of sugar and mix it again on low speed. Once the sugar is incorporated, add the next batch of sugar and mix again. Once all the sugar is incorporated, whisk at high speed until a pale white and fluffy batter is obtained. Next, add the wet ingredients in 2 batches and mix. Next, add the dry ingredients in 2 batches and mix using a spatula. Make sure to use a spatula and not a hand mixer to mix. Mix it using cut and fold method, that is, cut the batter from the middle and then fold and then rotate the bowl. This ensures everything is mixed. Mix only until you can't see any dry flour. If you overmix it, it will turn into a bread and not a cake. Repeat this for the second batch of the flour. Transfer this batter equally to the cake pans. Next, smooth the surface of the cake pans and transfer it to the oven. Bake it for 35 minutes. You can check when the cake is done by inserting a toothpick. If it comes out clean or if it has a few dry crumbs, then it is done. If it comes out wet, then bake for some more time. Another way of checking is that the cake has left the sides of the cake pan. Additionally, you can check by pressing the cake with your finger. If the cake springs back, then it is done. Leave this cake to cool down in the pans for at least 2 hours. Next, take the cakes out. Your vanilla cake is ready to serve. I also decorated the cake using buttercream and ganache. Please let me know if you are interested in that.
Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.